Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated scooters for adults in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is LaScoota Scooter For Adults. It has designed an adult scooter keeping the teens in mind. They encourage them to go out and have fun and also exercise while commuting. The scooter features the latest technology of lattice suspension that enables high-impact shock absorption and low vibration, which guarantees a smooth ride. The large PU wheels with the heat-treated brakes increase the safety and comfort for the rider. Also, the wide deck allows the rider to ride peacefully without any hindrance. The aluminum steel construction increases stability and makes the product durable. The handle is adjustable in 3 different height settings. These scooters are lightweight, foldable, and have an easy-to-carry design. They have a maximum load capacity of 220 pounds. They are available in various colors. Number 2. Our second best pick is Razor A5 Luxe Kick Scooter for Adults. It has large PU wheels which ensures super smooth ride at all times. They also increase the comfort of the rider while using it. The bold colors and the intricate patterns and designs make the scooter attractive and make the rider look cool. Now, the super strong aluminum T-tube increases stability and balance. Along with that, the large deck makes the scooter perfect for taller riders. The foam grips in the handle increase the comfort. The compact size and easy-to-fold design allows you to fold at all places and during any time. Are you a parent looking to cruise around with your child but don't want to spend hundreds of dollars for something you don't need? What you do need is this Razor A5 Luxe. It is exactly like the A model but bigger. The bars come taller and wider and the wheels come bigger and smoother. You'll be having just as fun as your child. This scooter isn't only for parents either. If you're an older kid who is just wanting to get around town, this scooter is excellent for the job. Number 3. Our third best pick is HUDORA Scooter for Adults. This one has come up with an adult kick scooter which features 2 8-inch wheels which enables the rider to glide faster and smoother. The PU wheels are anti-wear and can even glide through bumps and cracks on streets and sidewalks. On top of that, the high-quality bearings allow the scooter to be ridden effortlessly. The aluminum frame is non-slip and wide, which allows to keep the feet firmly on and offers space to shift weight effortlessly. There are 5 adjustable height options for the handle for people of several heights. This is perfect for growing kids too. Plus, the low-lying deck and the foot brake enables a comfortable and smooth ride. The folding mechanism is quick and can be folded easily for easy and fast storage. The lightweight scooter is ideal for kids, teens, and adults. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Serene Life Folding Kick Scooter for Adults. It has brought foldable adults and teens that saves time and makes you look cool. It enables you to cover 20 miles per hour as opposed to covering just 3 to 5 miles on foot. The 8-inch PU wheels with the bearing rating of ABC7 for a smooth and safe ride on grass, cobblestone, concrete, asphalt, and more. Basically, it allows you to ride on all terrains. The one-kick folding mechanism makes opening and closing of the scooter very simple and allows you to store it in any compact area. The non-slip deck enables steady footing of the rider and mud guard on the front wheel helps water from splashing and the long braking rail facilitates the stopping performance. The anodized handlebar can be adjusted to 3 different heights and the steering control is enhanced with the rubber ergonomic grips. Moreover, the front suspension and red LED light ensures speed and safety. The slim profile has a space-saving design which allows it to store at any place. It has safety certification from the lab and has been tested by the experts. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is NIU Electric Scooter for Adults. This electric kick scooter provides the maximum stability and comfort with the best balance and effortless steering. It has the maximum speed capacity of 20 miles per hour with a 31 miles range. The 350W motor can be increased to provide an output of 700W, which provides a 20% climbing ability of hill grade. This electric scooter is longer, wider and taller, and has a 25% wider handle for increased stability. On top of that, 30% fatter tires increase the shock absorption. The mechanical front disc brake with the dual rear disc and electrical brake system offers a safer braking system. Also, the riding range increases the efficiency by 4% with the regenerative braking and improves the energy recovery. The aluminum with a high-powered halogen headlight with mechanical bell and braking light is manufactured to ensure the riding safety. The smart functions enabled by the Bluetooth application allow you to lock the scooter and check the riding statistics. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.